Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be discussing one more question that is being asked in interviews nowadays. And this question we are going to solve in SQL. You can also solve the same question in PySpark because for data engineering, PySpark is one of the most important tool, or you can say the language that is being used on every day. So make sure you are proficient in PySpark and SQL. I have already created more than 45 interview questions related to PySpark. If you have not watched that particular playlist, I would highly recommend you guys to watch it and practice it by your own. So I'll pin that in the I button. Apart from that, if you are just watching the videos, I would recommend you to actually open your laptop and try practicing it by your own, which will really help you learning SQL and PySpark. So today's question is related to SQL, which has been asked in Amazon. This is a medium level question, so you need to be aware of few concepts, exactly how to solve it. So let's get deep dive in what is the question and exactly how to resolve this particular question. So we have this question ready, which is basically write a solution to find the names of all salesperson who did not have any orders related to the company with the name of red. So what does this question says? It has a salesperson. You have to find the name of the salesperson, basically who do not have any orders related to a particular company red. So let's see what is our data set. So we have a data set of salesperson, company and orders. And we have some data inserted into these three particular tables. Okay, so let me see. I don't think I have inserted the data into the company. Let me go ahead and query this and see if it has any data. So, okay, I have my data inside the company. Let's also see if we have any data inside our orders table. Okay, so select star from orders. So we have all the three data set ready. Okay, in the salesperson, we have our sales ID, name, salary, commission rate and hire date. And in the company, we have company ID, name and city. Similarly, for orders, we have order ID, order date, and there are some more columns like company ID, sales ID, and amount. Now, what is my question? The question is I have to find all the salesperson name who did not have any orders related to the company with the name red. So if you see that there are three tables, right? If you think in such a way, some data is there in one table, some data is there in the other table. So we have to actually combine them in order to get the actual data. So for example, if I see this company is having the company name and company ID and city, and in which company ID for that order is being placed, it's been marked by company ID. We don't have the company name here. So company ID, if I join the company ID from orders and the company ID from company, I'll get the name of all the company who have the name red, right? So that is being done. Now if I have to find the salesperson who have not placed any order, then I have to see what orders are being placed which are not with the company red. Okay, so let's do it one by one. I will first join the company and the orders table. So I'll do select star from company, join the orders. Okay, let me mark this as C and let me mark this as O. And on what column I need to go ahead and join? Okay, I need to join this on C.com_id and O.com_id. Okay, now if you think we also need to join this salesperson table. okay, because I need the name of all the salesperson who did not have any order. If you read the question carefully, you have an answer in that. If you need all the salesperson name, then what you need to do? You need to combine it, but you need to combine in such a way that you get all the name of the salesperson. So you have to keep this as a left table and do a left join. So what I will do is I will do a select star from salesperson, and I'll do a left join company, okay, and on S. So if I see what is my key in which I can go ahead and join, that is basically, I don't see where I can actually join these two tables. Okay, so what we can do is we can combine this salesperson with sales ID and the orders with that sales ID. So instead of doing the left join on company, I will do a left join on my orders. Okay, and once I do left join on orders on what? S dot sales ID is equal to O dot sales ID. So these two tables are combined. Now I can do a left join on the company, which is C, on my company ID and my order of company ID. So if I do a left join and this, if I run this, you will see all the data is being left joined. So from there, we need to find who have actually the company name as red. So if I see you have this company name red, so I will filter out those columns, those rows who have the company name as red. So where the C dot name is equal to red, right? Now I don't want the salesperson who have placed an order for this. So what I am going to do is I will just remove it and I will put a not in condition. So these three salesperson have not placed any order and are also not related to the company with the name red. So this is how you can actually solve this particular question. So you need to keep in mind that you have to do a left join in order to get the all the salesperson's name and then combine it with the primary and the foreign key that you have with tables and get the required result. I hope you have understood this particular question, exactly how you can solve it. So you can also try this particular question in PySpark, which will help you getting more knowledge related to PySpark. So let's go ahead and wrap up this particular video here. We will come up with a new video in which we will cover some more interview questions. So stay tuned till the next video. Thank you so much for watching and I wish you have a good day.